Hey everyone, Kyle from the Vevox support team here. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can move polling charts using SlideMaster. So what do I mean by polling charts? So I'm logged into the Vevox add-in here. If I add a multiple choice question, you can see we get a graph here. So how did I get that graph over to the left automatically? So to do that, head to View, then SlideMaster, and as you can see, this here is our context slide. So this is where the graph will be placed when adding a poll with a Vevox. So you can manipulate and move this however you'd like. So if I make it very thin and place it over here, and I close the master view and re-add the question, you can see this is now where the graph will show up. So it's as easy as that, guys. When in SlideMaster, if you don't see the context box, you can actually add it yourself. So if I delete this, say this is what you're seeing now, and you don't have the option to move it around, you click Insert Placeholder and then Context. You get the context box, which is what I was moving around, and you're able to do it exactly the same. Thank you, guys.